Hey there, I'm Priyon, the co-founder and CEO of Asanify. Today, I will show you how you can upload your past payroll information into Asanify. You want to do this if it's the middle of the year and you've already run payroll for some of the months in a particular financial year before you start using Asanify. Before you run a fresh payroll in Asanify, it is important to upload your past payroll information because Asanify and the Indian tax laws require us to project for the rest of the financial year and take into account how much tax and how much exact salary payout has already happened for the previous period which Asanify did not run your payroll in. So for doing that, just click on this I want to icon or even this import data icon and click on this import bulk data. There, just select past payroll. So this has to be done 1 month at a time. So for example, if you're starting in October, you can just select April to start from April for that financial year. And for April, then just download our sample template file if you don't have one already and just upload the data in the format that we give. You may also click on this question mark icon, which is the help article on how to do that. So in this article, you'll also find some other tips, etc. But the main thing is each and every column is also explained what does that mean and why we want, in what format. If you have some salary components which is not covered here, there are a couple of other steps we assume you would have already done before you're uploading your past payroll. Number one, upload your core employee information. Number two, upload your salary breakup information. So both can be done from here, and we've explained that in other videos. But if you're here and if you don't see some components in the Excel template, just go ahead and add them in the salary components first, and then just take whatever earning name and variable earning name or deduction name and put them in the Excel. Just keep in mind the salary breakup also should have already been done for that component, and then when you upload the past payroll information, the correct amounts will get reflected. So go ahead, just upload your past payroll, and then you can easily run payroll in 5 seconds in Asanify and simplify your and your employees' work life. Thank you.